Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's short video is about how to create a histogram chart in Microsoft Excel. The histogram chart is useful when we want to group the data in the form of ranges. As you can see, I have the list of student scores and I have created this histogram chart which is showing that how many students are falling in each range. There are 2 students with less than 50 marks. There are 3 students in the range 50 to 60 and so on. So let's create a new histogram chart from scratch. I'm going to delete this. I have to select this data. I will go to insert, recommended charts, all charts, and I will select the histogram chart. So Excel has created by default 3 ranges only. I will be modifying this to make it as per my requirement. Click on the axis, format axis, and here there is something called bin width. Bin width is simply the range width. I will specify it as 10, and then you can go and select on number of bins, which will automatically select the bin width based on your data, but I will keep it as 10 as per my requirement, and then I will select the higher and lower range of my data set. So I will select overflow bin and I will enter 100 as my maximum value, and then I will select the underflow bin as 50, which is my lowest number. And as you can see, Excel has adjusted the chart according to my given values. Now I can click on this vertical bars and select to add data labels, and then I can do some formatting to make these more prominent. All these data labels. Now you can check this chart by changing any number. If I change this from 75 to 55, the chart will be updated automatically with the values. I will make this as 85. You can see this is a dynamic chart. I hope you have liked this video and this video will be suitable for some of you. Please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up.